These 4 strawberry desserts are fresh, simple, and perfect for spring. And you don't need to be an expert baker to make any of them. From creamy, no-bake cheesecake to a rustic homemade galette, there's a strawberry dessert here for every mood and occasion. Whether you're planning a spring gathering, looking for a weekend baking project, or just want something refreshing to make at home, these 4 recipes are approachable, beautiful, and full of real strawberry flavor. Some take under 30 minutes, others need a little patience, but all of them are absolutely worth it. Let's get into the list. First up is the no-bake strawberry cheesecake. It's creamy, elegant, and requires absolutely no oven time, which makes it a perfect choice for warm spring days. This cheesecake serves 8 to 10 people. It's ideal for making ahead, and it looks far more impressive than the effort it actually takes to put together. Here's exactly what you'll need. For the crust, 1½ cups of crushed graham crackers and ½ cup of melted unsalted butter. For the filling, 2 cups of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Then, 2 cups of fresh sliced strawberries go on top as the finishing layer. Everything here is easy to find and requires no specialty ingredients whatsoever. Combine the crushed graham crackers with the melted butter and press the mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Refrigerate that while you make the filling. Beat the softened cream cheese on medium speed until completely smooth, no lumps. Then add the powdered sugar and vanilla and keep mixing. In a separate chilled bowl, whip the heavy cream to stiff peaks, then gently fold it into the cream cheese mixture using slow sweeping motions. Folding keeps everything light and airy rather than dense. Pour the filling over the chilled crust, smooth the top, cover with plastic wrap, and refrigerate for a minimum of 3 hours, though overnight gives you the firmest, cleanest slices. Arrange fresh strawberry slices on top just before serving. Next is strawberry sorbet, a dairy-free frozen dessert made with just 3 ingredients that delivers pure, concentrated strawberry flavor. It's naturally vibrant in color, incredibly refreshing, and completely guilt-free. This is a wonderful option for guests with dietary restrictions, and it's one of the most satisfying things to make when strawberries are at peak ripeness. The ingredient list is beautifully simple. 2 pounds of fresh hulled strawberries, ½ cup of granulated sugar, which you can adjust up or down depending on how sweet your berries are, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. That lemon juice is important. It brightens the overall flavor and balances the sweetness, so the sorbet tastes lively rather than flat. The riper your strawberries, the more vibrant and flavorful the sorbet will be. Hull the strawberries and blend them with the sugar and lemon juice until the mixture is completely smooth. Taste it and adjust the sweetness if needed. Pour the blended mixture into a wide, shallow, freezer-safe dish. A 9x13 baking pan works perfectly here. Freeze for approximately 4 hours, but every 45 to 60 minutes, take it out and stir it vigorously with a fork, breaking up any ice crystals forming along the edges and bottom. That regular stirring is what creates a smooth, scoopable texture rather than a solid, icy block. Once it reaches a creamy, scoopable consistency, transfer it to a lidded container and keep it frozen until you're ready to serve. Number 3 is strawberry muffins, soft, golden on top, and loaded with juicy strawberry pieces baked right in. This recipe makes 12 muffins. They're ready in about 30 minutes, and they freeze beautifully for up to 2 months. Whether you serve them as dessert, a snack, or breakfast, they never last long. Here's the full ingredient list. On the dry side, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt. On the wet side, ½ cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 cup of whole milk, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then 1½ cups of fresh strawberries, hulled and chopped into small pieces, get folded into the finished batter. Every single ingredient is a pantry staple. Nothing complicated here. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. Whisk the dry ingredients together in a large bowl and the wet ingredients together in a separate bowl. Then pour the wet into the dry and stir with a spatula until just combined. A few lumps are completely normal. Over-mixing develops the gluten and makes muffins dense and tough. So stop stirring the moment it comes together. Here's a key tip from the recipe. Before folding in your chopped strawberries, toss them in 1 teaspoon of flour. That light coating helps keep them suspended throughout the batter rather than sinking to the bottom during baking. Divide the batter evenly among the muffin cups, filling each about 3/4 full, and bake for 18 to 22 minutes until the tops are golden and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool in the pan for 5 minutes before moving to a wire rack. Rounding out the list is the strawberry galette, a free-form rustic tart that serves 6 to 8 people and looks like something from a French bakery. Despite how beautiful it is, this is one of the most forgiving baked desserts you can make at home. Let's go through what you'll need. For the pastry, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a cup of cold, unsalted butter cut into small cubes, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of ice-cold water. The butter must be cold. That's non-negotiable, because cold butter creates steam as it bakes and produces those beautiful flaky layers. For the filling, 2 cups of fresh sliced strawberries, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. To finish, 1 beaten egg for the egg wash, and 1 tablespoon of turbinado sugar for that caramelized golden crust. Work the cold butter cubes into the flour, salt, and sugar mixture using your fingertips or a pastry cutter until the mixture resembles rough, pea-sized crumbs. Add ice water 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing gently after each addition, until the dough just barely comes together. Don't overwork it. Shape it into a flat disc, wrap it in plastic, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. While the dough chills, toss your sliced strawberries with the 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. The cornstarch is important. It thickens the berry juices during baking and keeps the crust from going soggy. On a lightly floured surface, roll the chilled dough into a rough 12-inch circle. Imperfect edges are absolutely fine. Transfer it to a parchment-lined baking sheet, spoon the strawberry filling into the center, leaving a 2-inch border all around, then fold the edges of the dough up over the filling, pleating as you go. Brush the crust with the beaten egg and sprinkle with turbinado sugar. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes until the crust is deep golden and the filling is visibly bubbling. Let it rest for at least 15 minutes before slicing so the filling has time to set properly. So there you have 4 wonderful strawberry recipes to try this spring. Each one different in technique, texture, and occasion. Every one of these deserves a place in your spring recipe collection. All 4 full recipes are linked below, with exact measurements, complete ingredient lists, and detailed step-by-step instructions for every single one. There are plenty more seasonal dessert ideas on the blog as well, so if you enjoyed this, there's a lot more waiting for you. Happy baking!